'Twas the night before the Orr family farm, when all through the house not a creature was stirring, not even a mouse. The pumpkins were placed by the entrance with care, in hopes that fall fun soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug in their beds, while visions of farm fun danced in their heads. When what in their wandering dreams should appear but winding pathways of corn and all the memories so dear. Through piles of pumpkins to the top of the slide, getting lost in the fall maze, then all aboard a hayride. Off to make memories as families they flew, adventure awaited all of their crew. As fireworks lit up the sky oh so bright, with a message of Happy Halloween to all, and to all a good night.